Tuesday a Salon tōku ingoa, a he uri o no te whānau Cullen, ko Waipue.
Ko Brody Lee tōku ingoa, he uri o no te whānau Pororirioriti me te whānau Downs.
I tēnei rā, kei te tunu mātau I te steam Purini, one of our favourites. Anei ngā whakauru.
Okay, whānau, first and foremost we're going to get our burnt sugar syrup underway. And from there we'll step by step show you how to get this thing pudding cooking.
Okay, so at the moment we have the sugar on the stove. We've also got our hot water handy. Brody's just continuously moving the sugar around so that it doesn't get too burnt. We are looking for a syrup-like consistency, eh gal?
Yeah, we don't want it like too dark because then you'll start tasting the burnt. So once this is at a beautiful, probably dark caramel colour, we're going to add in our hot water and turn it into syrup. So
Here we go.
There we go. This is, we don't want to go too far over this point now. We're starting to bubble up. See that? So I'm going to turn off the heat. I'm going to push it off the heat so it stops cooking. I'm not going to stop stirring. All that sugar's dissolved. I can't feel any
lumps or bumps.
So this is going to bubble up too. With tamariki, just get them out of the way so it might splash back. So first we're going to add our sugar into our flour. Then we're going to add in our butter.
Okay.
So this is probably the more time consuming bit of it all. So you just add it all in.
All in at once?
Yep.
All in at once. So with Stefana, she's literally just giving the butter and the flour a little midi in the bowl. So the consistency that we are looking for is like breadcrumbs. Mara parawa, breadcrumbs.
So next step, we're going to add in our mixed spice and our baking soda. And we're going to add in our wet ingredients. So firstly our egg. I'm going to put that one in.
Alright, pour away.
So I'm just pulling it slowly off the sides. I'm just going to mix it in a little bit before I add in my sugar syrup.
Now we've moved our sugar syrup into a plastic bowl so that it cools faster, because if we did leave it in that big bowl, it would take a little longer to cool down.
So little by little, just take your time and you start to smell it and see the colour of beauty.
If we had 4D te whānau, you'd be in here, I swear. Okay, we've finished mixing, eh my gal?
Yeah. So now we're going to pour this into our tray that we're lined with tin foil. We're putting it into a combi that's on steam. So if you're at home, there's some alternatives that you can do. You can do it in a tin, in a bag, but you just need to keep an eye on it for the period of cooking time. We're cooking ours for 40 minutes and we're going to check it. So you check if it's just like a normal cake, if it bounces back, it's cooked.
Alrighty, te whānau, you heard it here first. That's steamed Purini, Brody Lee Hewa Down style. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to cook with her mara parawa, breadcrumbs. Kia ora rā, that's Tunukai101.
Heru hāpaitia,